There is something on the streets of London that makes time feel slower. Today we are exploring the classic cars of London in 2025. These cars are not just machines. They are living history. If you enjoy cars and the stories behind them, this video will feel special. Let's begin. If you like informative automotive videos, you can follow the channel. Your support helps us bring more educational content without making anything boring. London has always been a strong hub for classic cars. Every year multiple events take place where owners bring out their restored vintage vehicles. In 2025 this culture has become even stronger because more people are bringing their heritage machines back onto the road. These cars show how engineering, design, and passion have evolved over time. One of the biggest highlights this year was the London to Brighton Classic Car Run. This event brought together everything from elegant 1920s roadsters to iconic 1980s models. The run is more than a drive. It is a moving timeline of automotive history. Every car has a background, a memory, and a story that the owners proudly share. Another major attraction was the London Concours. This open-air show feels like walking through an outdoor museum. Cars like the Aston Martin DB5, the Jaguar E-Type, and the Ferrari 250 were seen in flawless condition. These cars are preserved like art pieces with attention to detail that reflects the skill of their original makers. Classic cars also offer strong educational value. They show how mechanical engineering looked before electronics took over. Their engines, interiors, and structures are built with pure craftsmanship. For students or anyone curious about engineering, these cars act as real-life lessons. You can see how technology improved step by step over the decades. Today, in areas like Chelsea, Kensington, and Westminster, classic cars are not limited to shows. Many owners take them out on weekends for casual drives. Seeing a vintage car rolling past modern buildings creates a unique contrast that only London can offer. It reminds us how old and new can coexist beautifully. If you want to explore the classic car culture of London, this year is the perfect time. Events, museums, and simple street spotting create a complete experience. If you enjoyed this educational journey, you can follow and share the video. In the next video we will look into the rise of electric classic conversions in London.